So moving on to program 6. Sorry for the issue because I'm not able to record the via desktop screen because that app does not allow for me to record the window. Other tools, but we don't have time for that. So actually this program is very simple where they are saying query editor connected to data source, clean, transform the data. Okay, so it is very simple. First, since they have provided the picture, if you just open the Power Editor, you have to first at this side of the screen you will be like get open blank sheet. So do that, and then on the top you have to just tap on get data. Okay, if you tap on this get data, you have, or else directly you can tap this Excel and then select sample superstore data. See, as you can see, once you open it will show a blank report like this. Click on that blank report and then get data Excel book and select your the sales for course quiz and just open it. See, if you can see here, you have to just click this sales table tick mark, and then at the right hand side, see here it will show. See, as you can see here, if I just zoom it like this, so if you click here, it will either say load or it will either say transform the data. So just select the table and do transform the data. So it will open like this. So here it says about adding, reducing the rows, and see, since here if you see here, alright, so here it is saying like column 1, column 2, column 3. So you don't want like that. So what you do, just tap on one and then tap on use first class header. You can see here, right? Then you can so this name place and the first row will become the name of the column like that. And then you can tap here remove columns, and then simply there will be an option. So you can just select over there 10 and enter. So last 10 rows will be, sorry, remove rows. Last rows will be removed. It will be here. See, reduce rows place. If I have to show, it's there. Oh, see, reduce rows if you select. So you can simply yeah. Okay, so here basically first what it does, you right click on this, I mean on the column 1, you can just change the type and then you just click on text, so it will just change. So usually there will be date, you can just change the type of date and other things. You have to show just the state, or then there will be other type of filters like this, decimal numbers, or instead of name you can change it to what to say coordinates. So if this date, you can just make it like first Jan, like that you can convert, or just date and time. See, I can say only time or all everything like that. Then if you click on reduce the rows, you can see remove rows. So remove bottom rows and then click the number. See, like it will show 10, and this just same way. Yeah, you can directly click on the row and remove it also. Same way with column, you can do the same for column also. Manage column, remove column like this, or you can just right click on this column and then remove. So apply steps in the query pane. So that's it. See, here on the right hand side you will be having this queries pane where all the things are there. Either you can remove the changes which you have done, or you can just edit it again over there. That's it. So once all the things are done, you just have to, at the top of the screen, top right, top left, I mean sorry, top left, you can see close and apply. You just have to close and apply. Then it says about the visualization field, normal filter field, and this data field. So see here, the visualization pane shows information about the visualization and lets you modify it. Same thing, you have to talk about what and all is a visualization, all the other stuffs. So program 7 comes. Let me just go up and what to say, just let you know. Okay, so as you can see here, query settings. So if you see, yeah, here only two things are there. If you just see it down in this photo, you can see the other things which have been applied here. See, there it was only change type, then promoted headers, change the row to header, and then change type 1, remove top rows, change type 2, sorted rows, all those. So if you just talk about this and then talk about the visualizations, and so if you just click here, see, you can see, right? If you can see my cursor, if you try to click here, close and apply, so you can simply what to say, uh, finish it, and then on the right hand side you can see here three things will be there on the top, filter, visualization, and all. You can just write about it and then just complete it. So this is all about program 6.